Kids, Stories, and More is here, so let's all gather near. Art and cooking, movement too, reading, science, all for you. Jump and shout and cheer, hooray! Kids, Stories, and More is here today.
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Kids, Stories, and More. It's Denise here, and I have a nice play date with my friend, Clever Kevin. So we were trying to think of what we could do today, and we decided to come up with a sink or
float.
Sink or float idea. Oh, this activity is so easy to do. We simply grabbed a bowl of water and went around the room trying to find, I got two things that sink, you got two things that maybe float. We don't know yet. We're going to observe. So you do the same thing when you decide to do this activity. Walk around your house, get things that you think might float, might sink, and see. Make a prediction. Okay, here's my first thing that I grabbed. I went outside and grabbed a rock. Check it out.
I'm going to say sink.
Sink. I'm going to say sink with you. Okay. Place it in the bowl of water.
3,
and
2, 1.
And a boom. Ooh, that definitely sunk to the bottom of our little pool. And why, Kevin?
Because it was too heavy for the water.
Too heavy. Okay. Now you found something, and what are we predicting is going to happen when you put that?
Float.
Float. Okay. What do you think, guys out there? Float or sink? Okay. Let's see if your prediction is correct. Oh, float it is. Clever Kevin. Float it is. This is called buoyancy. Oh, that's a big word. Boy, oh boy, is that buoyancy. Say that with me, everybody. Buoyancy. Yes. And that is because of the molecules, the air inside each one of these objects. Enough air keeps it above water. So now, Kevin made something very clever. Can you show everyone what you built with your Legos? What is that, Kevin?
It's a pot of gold mixed with a boat.
Oh, what a great idea. And who is in that little pot?
It's a leprechaun captain.
The leprechaun who wants to steal the
gold.
Gold.
Or is known to them, moolah.
Yeah, yeah, we're going to use some coins. So, what should we do first with that awesome ship of yours?
You should predict if it sinks or floats.
Oh, that's a great idea.
I'm going to say float because of this design right here. My theory is that more surface equals floating.
Fabulous. Let me see if that happens. What do you think, everybody? Guess, predict. And the answer is float. Oh, you built a floating pot of gold. But we're missing something.
Wait,
we're missing the gold.
Obviously.
So guess what I did? Guess what I did? I knew this was going to happen. I took my daughter's piggy bank. Look what I made. I made a piggy bank for her. I didn't even have to go out and buy one. You know what we did? We reused, we repurposed. This had food in it, and when we were empty with it, we used it as her bank. Okay? Her beaver bank. Huh, perfect. All right, Kevin, you ready for this experiment?
Yes.
We need to put the gold in there. Okay. Let's start with pennies. Okay. Here, I pulled out some of my coins. Let's you and I start putting pennies in our
I think we should do from back to front.
Okay. All right. Ready? Go.
1, 2.
Okay. 3, 4. Just pennies.
Yeah. 5, 6.
7, 8. Just pennies. 8 pennies so far.
9, 10. Oh, wait. It's needing on one side.
11, 12. Oh.
13, 14. Bounce it out. That's
14, 15, 16.
Oh, it's still No! Oh, wait, the carpet's it's still floating somehow.
Oh my gosh. Did you think 16? We didn't even make a prediction. but I would never have said 16.
I would probably say 10 or 9.
I was thinking the same thing, like a single digit, like 8 or 7.
Yeah, 'cause the
but
weight
not
of it.
double. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun!
Wait, what?
So our pot of gold, and you are floating away because he's stealing it. Goodbye, thank you for my pot of gold.
No! We have an emergency.
I need to be saved.
We need the Coast Guard.
Well, that was so much fun. And you boys and girls can have the same kind of fun. Oh, wow. Well, thank you very much for joining us. Are we done with this?
Maybe we should use a different kind.
Oh, you know what? That is a clever, there you go again. Clever Kevin. Clever Kevin.
I'm thinking the quarters.
Let's use a different coin. We have quarters, we have dimes, we have nickels. And you want to do quarters?
Sure, it's bigger the better.
Okay, now this time we got to predict.
Okay.
Do you think there will be more coins needed or fewer coins needed?
Well, since we had 16 of these and these are smaller, I'm going to say less coins because these are bigger.
Okay, Kevin, that was such a brilliant deduction. Okay, ready? Yeah. Get your 2. On your mark, you start first like you did with the
1, 2,
3, 4.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8. Oh! Single digits. It sunk to the bottom.
Wait.
8 coins. Oh my gosh. Is 8 less than or more than our pennies?
Less than.
Lots less than. Good.
Well, actually, the funny thing is, it's so 16 minus 8 is 8.
Oh, that's brilliant. So we only added
Half
as
of it.
many coins. Oh my goodness. This is math.
Science.
This is science. This is technology. This is engineering. This is fun. Oh, I love learning with you. Thank you so much for building our pot of gold and our little leprechaun.
I don't think it's doing so good.
He's like, come on, get me out of here. Here's the coins.
He's like, you gotta save me. You can have the coins.
Take a look at this feature. What a great idea you did building. I know you guys have Legos at home. I know you have coins at home. And I know you have a bowl of water. Go do this and have a ball doing it. I know I did.
Honestly, that was pretty fun.
That was. Thank you so much for joining us.
We might need to dry that off
And then
now.
I'm going to stick it back in there because it just looks so cute.
Yes, it does.
And we love that you support us. Thank you so much for subscribing and coming back to view us because we enjoy you and we want to keep having more fun with you. So don't forget to push the like button. Come again to Kids Stories and More with D Nice and Clever Kevin and Mimi. Again, be good to others, be nice, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye. D Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.